Hello, my 3D printer peeps. Hello, Bambu Lab users. We have done Bambu Lab's marble run, wind-up boats, LED lights, and more. But today, we're going to do something a little simpler, but equally cool, the Bambu Lab Maker Supply Clock Kit. We'll download the models, pop them into Bambu Studio, send them to our printer, assemble them, and start keeping time with our very own 3D printed clock. Inside this kit are three components: the clock motor and battery compartment, the arms of the clock, and some small washers. Unlike other kits that require many hours of printing and complicated assembly, the clock kit is a little more user-friendly. However, before we can build this kit, we need to print the components. Let's do that now. Here on MakerWorld.com, you can enter Maker Supply. Here on Maker Supply, you can simply enter the search button and type in clock. This is the kit we are making today. Clock Components Kit 001 with the MakerWorld faceplate. If you order this kit, you will receive all the components in the little kit box in order to make this functional clock. It's worth noting, here in the photo, the kit shows 3D printed arms. However, the kit actually comes with real clock arms. In order to print this model, we'll need to go ahead and download those files. Scroll down and look right here for the MakerWorld clock and click MakerWorld clock. I will highlight the original designer's upload and choose Download 3MF. You can click your specific printer and choose Download 3MF. Drag that 3MF file into Bambu Studio and be sure you have chosen the correct printer. Your project should load like this. Due to the fact this is a 3MF, the designer's settings are all here. However, you are free to make the changes you'd like. We can even use the paint tool to make different sections of this print different colors. Each individual object on this clock is clearly recognized by the fill tool, meaning you are free to recolor this model however you'd like. I am going to do mine in Bambu Lab Desert Tan, Landu Black, and Landu Nebula Purple. Landu makes a nice filament that's cleanly wound and fits perfectly on the Bambu Lab AMS light. As usual for me, I'm going to slow speeds down considerably to increase my chances of success, and I'm going to go specifically slower on outer walls and top surfaces. I will choose Detect Thin Walls just in case, because these numbers are kind of small. While I'm here, I'm going to use the fill tool to add a fun bamboo pink to the border. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 colors to this clock. That's going to add a lot of print time, but that's okay. This is why we buy Bambu Lab printers with AMS systems and all these fun colors, isn't it? This color is Sakura Pink 11201, and it's Bambu Lab PLA Matte. Don't forget, in the newer versions of Bambu Studio, you can see the specific type and colors of filament you have installed in your AMS. For those of you who want to go a little further, we can modify this clock to change the words and logo. Let's change the words. Here, in the Object tab, highlight the words. It's Object number 12. Right-click and choose Replace with STL. I'm going to choose 3DR logo. And would you look at that? There's my 3DR logo. You are going to have to do some adjusting to size it the way you want, position it the way you want, and set the height the way you want. I chose a decent compromise to give me a nice 3D look without having to color swap for so many layers going all the way up this pink wall. The other 2 beds worth of parts are quite simple. Go ahead and choose the color you'd like and send them off to whatever printer you'd like. Sending off the multicolor and the single color to different printers will save you a lot of time. Keep in mind, our kit comes with actual clock arms, so we will not be needing to print these. We will, however, need to print one of these little triangles. You can print 2, just to be sure one comes out correctly. All right, I've got all my components printed. I've got the faceplate here in Bambu Lab filament and Landu filament. This is my first print on Landu filament, and it came out really nice. Here is the base, printed in Creality Solian. And here is the little pencil holder cubby thing in the back, printed in Prusament Galaxy Green. Let's assemble it. You're going to start with this tiny little triangle. And you're going to look right here in the back of this cover plate. There's a little hole in the shape of a triangle. Stick this triangle in there. Just like that. Take this little pencil holder cubby thing and position it over that base. You will see triangle pegs that fit into triangle slots. Simply line them up and press them in. Do the same for the other piece. It will look like this. Remember that little triangle? It's time to use that to line up the faceplate. It slides over it quite easily, just like that, and suddenly you already have your clock. Speaking of clock, go ahead and insert the clock itself. The battery compartment will go down. Right here. Line it up and stick it in there. If you'd like, you can use a little touch of glue to make this permanent. Otherwise, you can leave it like this and make multiple faceplates. There are washers and a little rubber grommet and such, but you really don't need them. Just take the screw-on part and screw it here over the clock. By hand is good enough. That will secure the clock mechanism into your faceplate. After that, peel off the protective plastic layer on the clock arms and take the shortest one and work it over the clock. Be very gentle. You do not want to bend it. It looks and feels like it won't fit, but it does. Take the second longest one and work that on next. Finally, take the one with the little pin and work that in. I found this one to be a little scary. Be very careful, take your time. It's okay if it doesn't go all the way in. I stopped a little early on mine. Go ahead and set your time. 9:35 a.m. And bring your clock to life with a AA battery that is not included. I'll get a AA battery right now and we'll put it in. As you can see, the second hand is moving and it is live. So there you have it, our very own 3D printed clock. I'm Mr. Greg. We just made the Bambu Lab Maker Supply Clock Components Kit. And you're on 3D Rundown.